So, good morning, my dear children. So, I hope you are able to understand that factor remainder theorem and the relation between factors and remainder theorem. And from remainder theorem, how can you find out that? How can we decide that whether a particular thing is a factor or not? Now, here you see, here are two things. One is factor and factorize. Factor means what? 6 equal to 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are factor of 6. Here you see, factorize 6 means what are the factor of 6? That is the factorize. And factor means by which the particular number will be divided. So now today we'll study about the factor and factorize. We have already done. But we have checked that whether a particular expression will be a factor or not. Now, today a little bit more about factorize. Factor we have studied already, that whether it will be factor or not. Now, today we will come to know that how to factorize. How to factorize an algebraic expression. We know that how to factorize a numerical number. Suppose if I ask you factorize 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3, or you can write 2 into 3 square. This is the factorize. I have factorized 18. Now same way, today we will study about the how to factorize an algebraic expression or a polynomial. Better to say polynomial because word is polynomial. Okay, so let's see. Now, suppose if I give you x square minus thrice x plus 2, and I'll ask you, if I'll ask you that factorize this, then this one you got in class 8 that this is known as, when you factorize this type of question, we factorize by depending on the middle term. And what is the rule? That middle term will be divided into two parts. Middle term will be divided into two parts in such a way that if we add the two parts, that whether it plus or minus, plus or subtract, add or subtract, we'll get back the middle term. And what is the other thing is that two broken part of these, if we multiply, we will get back that product of the first and the last. We will get back the product of the first and last. Before that, let's see one question, and then it will be more clear to you that x squared minus a plus b x plus ab. Let's see this one. You see, x squared minus ax minus bx plus ab. Then x is common. Then what is that? X minus a. Where? What is that? B x minus a. Then what is x minus a and x minus b. Then, so see one thing you see. If we take minus sign common, x common, then we will get back this one. If we multiply minus ax into bracket minus bx, what we will get? Minus into minus plus abx square. If we multiply these two, then what will we get? Abx square. So same thing here. So here also we have to do the same thing. So x square minus twice x minus x plus 2. And then what is that? X minus 2. And then minus x minus 2. Then what is that? X minus 2. X minus 1. Now another thing you see. Suppose if I give you x squared minus 5x minus 6. X squared minus 5x minus 6. Then what will you do? X squared minus 6x plus x minus 6. See, x common, x minus 6 plus x minus 6, then ultimately x minus 6, x plus 1. We got that one? Now same question, if I do in a little bit different way, see, just this question, then you see what is the change. Suppose if I give you x squared minus 5x plus 6, then what is that? X squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 6, then x minus 3, then minus 2, x minus 3, then what is that? X minus 3 and then x minus 2. Now here you see, interesting thing is that, see, here you have seen, here you will see, and this is just complete. Here when it was first and last is plus, then the broken part have the same sign. Here you see, when last term is minus, but first one is also minus, then one of the broken part is positive and another is negative. Here you see, last term is positive, first term is positive. Here also, last term is negative, first term is positive. Then what happens, you see, both the broken part of same sign. Now, you may ask, you may think, what will happen if it is a plus? See, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then what will happen? X squared plus 5x plus twice x plus 6. So, the broken part sign will depend on this one. And which one will be plus or minus depend on this sign. Clear? So these are the three, 1, 2, this one I have not completed, you have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4. So please write down, and this is the one, that middle term factorization. The most important part, okay? Many times you have to use this middle term factorization again and again in other chapter as well. It is not that only this chapter, other chapter also you have to use the same. So please be careful. Please practice it as much as possible. Book or whatever given, that is not sufficient. You have to do some more extra question. Then only it will be there, otherwise not. Okay, so let's see. I hope all of you have to write it down. So please write it down in your copy, and then you practice the other one. Okay. Now, from the exercise I do one. Let's see. See, 4 Roman 3. What is that? 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now what is the product of 6 and 6? 36. We have to get 36. 6x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. See, bigger one, because this is positive, so positive, then minus. See, this one and this one opposite side, so automatically broken part will be, one will be positive and there will be negative. Now you take common, thrice x, so twice x plus 3. Here you see 2 to take common, twice x plus 3. Then what is that? Twice x plus 3, then twice x minus 2. So these are the factors. So this is the factorization of this particular question. Okay. Now let's see. Question number, now next one, question number 5. This is another one. Okay. Question number 5, Roman 1. This is not middle term. This is not necessarily middle term. If 3 are there, then most of the time it will be middle term. Otherwise, sometimes identity formula you get in the next exercise. Last year also you got. Now this one, if more than 3, then there will be another method. Let's see. X cubed minus 2x squared minus x then plus 2. Here middle term already not possible because 4 terms. Here you see, 3 terms we are converting into 4 terms. So here what we will do, see, x square common, x minus 2, x minus 2. Then common, x minus 2, then x square minus 1. Now, see, you have to check after taking the common whether it is coming same or not. Otherwise, there is no use. Sometimes you have to rearrange also. Sometimes you have to rearrange also. And sometimes, like this one, without rearranging also we can get. So then, x minus 2 and x plus 1 and then x minus 1. Now remember, my dear student, see, if any one of you leave till this much, you are not going to get the full marks, because factorize, that means it should be a prime number, like 6 equal to 2 into 3, 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So prime factorization, that means after that no more factorization is possible. So if any one of you leave till this much, it will not give you the full marks. So this is the final answer, not this one. This is the final answer. Okay. Now let's see another one. See, 5 Roman 3. See, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now here you see, last time we have taken common. I told you you can rearrange also. After rearranging, if after taking common, if there will be both will be same, then you can do. But whether it is possible here, it's a 13, 32, 20, not possible. Then what you have to do? Now here you have to use the remainder theorem, that is px equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now you have to find out the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial, what did I say? That the value of the variable for which a polynomial will be 0, that is known as 0 of the polynomial. So here you see, if I take 0, suppose p0, then what it will be? 0 cubed plus 13 into 0 squared plus 32 into 0 plus 20. Is it possible? No, it is not. 0 is not the zeros of the polynomial. Now if I put 1, definitely not possible, all positive, so it will not be 0, it should be equal to 0. Now let's see, in that case, let's see, minus 1, then minus 1 whole cube, 13 into minus 1 whole square, plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Then what will happen? Minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. 20 plus 13, 33, 32 plus 1, 33. So it is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1. Is it minus? Remember here one thing. If it is minus, then it will be plus. Last time we have seen. If it is minus, then it will be plus. If it is plus, then it will be minus. Because when I have taken out the 0 of the polynomial, x plus 1, suppose gx is given x plus 1, then value of x is minus 1. If gx is given x minus 1, then value of x is 1. So if it is minus, it will be plus. If it is plus, then it will be minus. So x plus 1 is a factor of px. Of px. X plus 1 is a factor of px. Okay? Then let's see next one. Now this is not the finish, because you are able to get only one factor. Get this cube. So still left. Now how to do the remaining part? Remaining part today I will show by division method, and next day I will show by another method. Okay? And then you can check which one will be better. Let's see. X plus 1, x cubed plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20. Then what is that? x square. I only told what are the things you have to remember. What are the things? Coefficient, degree, sign. Coefficient, degree and sign. So those things you have to remember. Okay. So 12x square plus 32x, then plus 12x square plus 12x, then minus 20x plus 20, then plus 20, then 20x plus 20. So minus. So it is divided. Then what you have to do? See. Now here this one equal to x plus 1 and then x square plus 12x plus 20. But still not complete, like last question, still not complete because this one can be factorized. So remember, now one thing you have to remember that the division, this division you should not do in the last page. You have to show here or there with the answer. You have to show. And then next thing is that important thing is that you have factorized once. It does not mean that you have to factorize now only this part. Because these two product is equal to given question. So that's why you have to write this one into this one and then you have to continue with your factorization. Okay, so let's see. X plus 1, then x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Then what is that? X plus 1, then x plus 10, 2, x plus 10. Then what is that? X plus 1, then x plus 2, then x plus 10. This is your answer. This is the required answer. Clear? Remember this one. I have division because space is less. That's the reason. So please be careful. This one is very, very important. Okay? And in my next class, I'll start with some more question I'll show. But at the same time, I'll start with identity formula. Okay? Identities. So that means A plus B. You got last year, please revise one thing, revise one, A minus B whole square, then A minus B, A square minus B square. So please revise those things. Then next, in my next class, I'll show some more this type of division and then we will go to the algebraic identity. Until that time, bye bye and hope you will practice well.